morning, fam. How we doing? How we doing? You see the lips? You already know what's going on. Damn, fail. Thought my shit was open. Little shoe cam. We got the Cav 4s on today. One of my favorites. Don't really wear them that much because they don't match with shit, but wearing them today. Alright, so for once, we're waking up in the morning and I'm not too late for the shenanigans. It's gonna be a fun day today. This one's gonna be a banger. No cap. Bro, you didn't warm your car up. By the time I get on the street, it's gonna be warm. Look at that, look at that. Like I said, we got a banger going down today. Cool little drive going on with the homies. I think it's gonna be like 20 of us, all crazy cars. Obviously, I'm not driving the GTR right now, so I'm gonna roll with my boy Andre. He has that 720 that I raced in my Z. The thing's crazy fast now. He did a lot of stuff to it. When he raced my Z, it was stock, and he still got me like top end wise. It was a really good race, but now, like for sure, he'll gap the hell out of my last setup. We got a new setup coming on the Z, 1,000 horsepower, boys. Yeah, I remember that thing, huh? Oh, yup. Our AAA boys need that. Fire. Is he still looking good, though? Oh, shit. Ecclesi today. She's so sick. HREs. Biggest flex right there. Look at my dog over here. Just came and shitted on everybody. My dog got the Willy Wonka in the chocolate factory. How about that? Twin turbo GT. Nuts. Got a sick McLaren over here. This HRE's looking nice, my boy. Looking real Halo-ish. My dog Manu. The Fire Huracan. Hood looking nice. HRE's looking saucy. Then the 2020 GTR fenders looking sick. Oh, got that white interior too. Pull the white mook out. Sheesh, okay, yours, boys. Alright, see how you feeling today. My dog over here, Ryan. You guys remember this from the last video? That two-tone be hitting. The other homie bringing the heat, 600 LT with the Nipsey Blue. Oh, yup. You already know, equipped with the Tomes. All my dogs is on, man. The homies is lit. Okay, brought the C8 out. Can't go wrong with the yellow Huracan, looks nice. We got the S with the, I believe those are SVJ wheels. My dog Omar right there. Oh, we got the drone up. This green, bruh. This green is nasty. This reminds me of the oh, with the Louis bag inside. This reminds me of the slime from Nickelodeon. The perf. Ventador boys. We out today. Bro, I really like these 650s. They look like P1s. 650 with the P1 style hood is like so fire. That color is fire too. It's like the Z. The Spider 720. My dog Moshi, you already know. Twin turbo R8. Very nice. Fire. The TT RS boys. "15 minutes later, here's the rest of the crew. Oh yeah, he dirty. Damn, Moshi, seeing that chrome blue gleaming. Squad goals. What the fuck?
Wait, what did he say?
The rich cunts. The guy I just drove by right now said rich cunts. F you. Man, what a hater. People really be mad that you be doing good, man. That's crazy.
It's on the back of that.
My boy is big mad. Big mad, big sad because he ain't got no bag.
Walkie-talkie feature everything. It was supposed to cost me
Whips are out, man. That shit's sick. This guy actually bought my R8 hood. I didn't even know. He's like, bro, I don't use social media, but I sold you the. You sold me your hood from your R8. He still has it too. I think sick. Yup, fresh kick spec right here. You already know. That pert, man. RIP Kobe. Shit. I have a whole camera on that thing. The SVJ getting that super vagina. Okay, that forged carbon in there. Alright, VF supercharged, okay. I see you. Is that a gorilla duck? This fool has like the loudest 4x8, bro. Danny P shit is loud too, but this shit is just... Let's go. What do you guys think? One car, but you can't get rid of it. You have to keep it forever. I don't know, man. I think I might take the Ford GT. I'm not gonna lie. Twin turbo, stick shift. That's sick, bro. Then I'd have to go 720 after that. Cause you know that shit is just space cool.
Look at you, man.
1, 2, 3. Spun up. Fucking spun. Fuck. Spin boys. How we pulling up? Caution tape. Do not enter. My boy Wes, his Turbo S looks sick. Fire. Man, we eating out here.
Dispensary in here?
No.
Have a dispensary so everybody gets high and eats all the
That's
food.
how you go, man.
Bro,
We do free movies. We do free music.
we out here. Look at this.
Are you from London?
Bro, this should be a restaurant.
Bro, these wings,
I should just work here, advertise.
macking, banging.
Hey, I should
I know this is making y'all hungry right now.
get more food.
I'm so full.
What is that?
I want to eat more, but I'm full though. My dog got some heat in here for me. Sheesh. Y'all see the rollie?
Here, bro.
Damn. Sick ass food. This is Brad, guys. Follow my dog right here. Peep the jeans. Official. You already know.
Fresh kick from butter.
Shout out my dog Ryan hooking me up on the jeans, man. Really crazy quality. It's good shit. My jeans, Michelin 4S's. My dog Moshi. The 720 is making about 1,000. This one's making about 1,000, but all-wheel drive. Yeah, every run that we did, we were spinning in the McLaren. And they're both running our 888, so it's pretty much the best you can have in a 20-inch tire. My dog. The space coupe, dog. 1,000 horsepower McLaren. So this thing's full exhaust, downpipe, injectors, E85, and runs some race fuel too, and has upgraded turbos as well. So my dog looked out for me one time. He had some shit to go do, so he was like, just drop it off. Say less. But this thing's so fast, it's effortlessly fast. Like, you don't have to try to go fast. Without even trying. It's nuts. It's just crazy. It's not even on kill mode right now. Having too much fun right now. This shit's insane. Turbo sounding nice. This thing's sick. I want to drive this thing on kill mode. It's very nice. Yeah, I'll buy one of these one day, you know? Alright, we got one last pull for the boys before I drop this car off safely and hop in my slow ass Z. Is just so smooth, bro, and it just never dies. The power never dies. So his half-mile pass in this car on this current setup was 194. It's fast. If that doesn't tell you anything, I don't have to say anything else. You guys know this shit's fast. So yeah, so the R8 and this car are both like 190 mile per hour cars, so getting the perfect go was really hard, but this thing's definitely fast. I mean, pretty much stock, this car beat my Z, so you can imagine, like, turbos, E85, this thing's insane. So the new Z setup would probably be as fast as this if it could hook, but I already know at 1,000 that car is not gonna hook. So I'm probably gonna detune it to around like 880, 885, 900 maybe max. But as far as on the street, I know this Z is not gonna put down 1,000. There's no motor in the back like this car, so yeah, this thing's beast. That garage door though, pulling up and you see the whip. Gotta be my favorite part right here. Sheesh. Ooh, forged carbon. Alright guys, mine is 700 horsepower. But yet, still humble enough to get in this car and still love it. I love my Z's, man. It's my favorite. Nismo. Look who I found, guys. I'm pretty sure that's Snooge. I'm gonna pull up on his ass. Bro, that shit's hella weak! That guy's fucking hilarious. Literally trying to catch up to this fool. He drove around once already. It's Saturday. Snooge isn't in the HeziCon. And I'm not in the GTR. Guess we, feeling a little humble today. Alright, look. Bro, that shit's hella trash! I'm not gonna lie, after driving the McLaren, I did a little baby pull in this and I thought something was wrong with it because it felt so slow. That's just crazy, bro. Like, I'm telling you, when you get used to fast cars and then you drive something with 300 or 400 horsepower, it literally like feels like slow. Which is crazy because before you drive stuff like that, 300-400 horsepower feels nice, Well, if you guys made it to the end of this video, you're blessed. I'm blessed as well, going to the mountains on our compound tires. Like always, appreciate you guys for tuning into the channel. Drop a thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe to your boy. Happy New Year's to everybody. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm out.